refreshing lemonade recipe. Hello, bright students. Today, we will learn how to make a cool and refreshing lemonade drink. Lemonade is a sweet and tangy beverage, perfect for hot days. Let's start making it. Ingredients: 4 lemons, 1 cup of sugar, 5 cups of water, ice cubes, mint leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Start by washing the lemons under cold water. 2. Cut the lemons in half and squeeze them to get the juice. 3. In a pitcher, mix the lemon juice and sugar until the sugar is dissolved. 4. Add the water to the pitcher and stir well. 5. Taste the lemonade and add more sugar if needed. 6. Put the lemonade in the refrigerator to chill. 7. Serve the lemonade over ice cubes in glasses. 8. If you like, garnish the lemonade with mint leaves. 9. Enjoy your cool and refreshing lemonade on a hot day.